So we're just rickshawing through Delhi. These streets are madness. Crazy city, man. Time for some tea. Time for some tea.
Come inside, come.
Oh, we're going inside. Oh, we're gonna get to see how it's made. Cheers.
And in one go, they are getting around 40 liters of tea over here. This pan and this big pan. 40 liters of tea on daily basis. Because on daily basis, they sell around 5 to 10,000 cup of tea on daily basis, this outlet. This is very famous. This is Nagori Tea. And they are widely popular in Mumbai. Now they are having 8 to 10 outlets in Old Delhi over here. Just look at the color over here. And see, the more you boil, it attaches the more flavor from the ingredients over here. That is why they keep boiling the tea again and again and again over here.
Stop the gaon wala aa gaya.
What are you? Yeah.
This guy's trying to get through.
I see.
That is chole.
Bruh.
Chole. With the bhature. No, this is not tea. They serve everything over here. Come, we can come out. Come. Yes.
I'm expecting the best Indian tea.
Bombay famous Nagori tea. Yes.
Ooh, yeah.
Thank you.
This looks good.
Yes. Ma'am, your black tea. And please, this COVID is very hot over here. Sir, your black tea. Ma'am, your milk tea. Original Indian masala chai. Masa.
I even took this tea masala home. I always drink it.
Sir.
Thank you.
That's gewürzt. Da ist das Gewürz drin. Your
Yes.
spices, masala.
See,
But you don't need much because it's spicy.
not that spicy, yes. And see, like a English tradition, British tradition, leave it over here and
Bon appetit.
so that's all.
Cheese. Cheers.
Yes, cheers everybody.
Can you take pictures?
Yeah, sure, ma'am, sure. Yes. You take it over
Ooh,
the side, yes.
ooh.
You like it?
It is very good, I told you.
Thank you. $45 sacks. Red chilies, 45 kilograms each sack.
Movies are also shot over here. American crew members are also come for documentaries over here. No, everyone can see, no, not a problem. If you need to take official permission, then you can shoot over here. 50% of the salary to their houses. Because in India, we have a culture of joint family. They have a responsibility of the parents, wife and children over here. That is why they send all the money to the villages. That is why they live in those spice rooms over there. That is why they made a kitchen over there, ma'am. And one more thing, ma'am. Ma'am, I can show you one thing.
Delhi Spice Market. Biggest in the world, apparently. Wow. Bruh. Cutting through.
This is our last day. अरे नहीं बेटा, अरे नहीं बेटा नहीं, अरे जा बेटा,